there may be things on page 17 that is not in those summaries, but that we still need to address. Hey everyone, I'm Justin Cooper with Pine Financial Group, where we work together so you succeed. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel to get more great content from Pine Financial Group. I wanted to talk to everybody today about home inspections. As investors, a lot of folks skip the home inspection process, and I can completely understand that. I've skipped many myself on properties I'm buying, but I think it can be a great tool not only for new investors, but also for seasoned investors as well. Home inspections can be great for the new investor because it's a chance for us to spend 3, maybe 4 hours walking through the property we're about to buy with a professional, going through every nook and cranny of the property, trying to find everything wrong with the property. This can be great for us because, one, we can negotiate with the seller to maybe get a price reduction or to have them take care of some of these things, but it can also help us build our scope of work as we're going through finding out things that may need to be worked on that we weren't originally planning on. It's a great chance to get a second set of eyes on the property and really help us understand what has to be improved in the property. And that's exactly why I think us as seasoned pros should also be getting home inspections. Maybe not on every property, but it's a great reminder of all the different systems and processes in a home that should be addressed. Sometimes we just see so many properties, we get so into the normal routine of kitchens and bathrooms, cabinets, countertops, all these things that we maybe forget to look a little deeper into the electrical and the heating systems. And by working with a home inspector, they're going to check all those things for us. Now, when we get the home inspection, it's really important that we go line by line through the entire inspection. The inspector will usually put like a summary page or two at the beginning or maybe at the end of the report with all the really bad stuff that the inspector found. But we should go through line by line to really understand the whole home, because there may be things on page 17 that is not in those summaries, but that we still need to address. Because if we don't address it up front when we're doing the remodel, the next buyer that we're selling to will certainly catch the same item and bring it up and try and negotiate with us at that time. So be sure you're getting a home inspection and going through and reading the entire inspection. There's so much information that we can get out of those things. If you want other great tips and tricks, be sure to follow us on our YouTube channel, and at any time you can reach out to us directly at pinefinancialgroup.com.